Now, welcome back, students. Now, we're about to look at how to use substitution method to solve simultaneous equation. We are going to use the same question that we used earlier. You know, the last one we solved, we used elimination method. So now we are using substitution method, and I bet you are going to get the same answers. Now, substitution method. It depends on you. You know, I told you earlier that this topic has to do with a lot of choices. You have a lot of choices to make. Now, you can decide to make one of the variables the subject of the formula, either from equation 1 or from equation 2. But as a smart kid or as smart student that you are, always make sure you use a variable that the coefficient is 1. That way it is easier for you. But in the situation whereby you don't have a variable which coefficient is 1, fine. You can still make any of the variables your subject or the formula. Now, I am going to use equation 2. I'm going to use equation 2 to make my subject of the formula now. So I'll say using substitution method, comma, from equation 2. From equation 2. Equation 2 is 2x minus y is equal to 2, right? So I'm going to make y the subject formula because the coefficient of y is minus 1 or 1, so it is easier for me. So I'll say minus y is equal to 2. There will be plus 2x here. You know, it becomes what? Minus 2x. But mind you, y cannot be negative. So what do? I'll say multiply through the equation by minus 1. I'm doing that just to eliminate the minus sign in front of y. Now, minus times minus, there is plus, so that's plus y. Then minus times plus in front of 2, that's minus. Then 1 times 2, you have 2. Minus times minus plus 1 times 2x, you have 2x. You can rearrange and say y is equal to 2x minus 2. Okay, so this is the equation 3. Okay, you now say substitute 2x minus 2 for what? For y. In equation 1. Remember I formed my equation from equation 2. I formed equation 3 from equation 2. So I cannot put it back into equation 2. So I put it back into equation 1. So into equation 1 now. So I write out equation 1. Equation 1 is 3x plus 4y equals what? 25. So that means anywhere I see y here, what I'm going to write is what? 2x minus 2. Now, let's go. 3x plus 4 into bracket. Y is now 2x minus 2. 2x minus 2. Everything equals 25. Now, I have successfully what? Substituted the value of y, which is now 2x minus 2, into equation 1. Now, the next is to expand the brackets and collect items. So I will say 3x, then this 4 multiplies this bracket. You know, like I always teach my students, I use the baby method. I will say plus times plus is plus, as you can see. Then 4 times 2x is 8x. Plus times minus is minus. 4 times 2 is 8, equals 25, right? So I'll collect item, 3x plus 8x. That will give me what? 11x, right? Now, 25, I'll bring minus 8 here, it becomes plus 8. So 11x is equal to 33. So I'll divide both sides by what? 11. So 11x divided by 11 equals 33 over 11. So 11 cancels 11. So on the left hand side, what I have here is x. So 11 in 33 is what? Is 3. So that means x is equal to 3. Now I've gotten the value of x now. Now I need to get the value of y. I told you simultaneous equation, you are supposed to get 2 answers. You get the values of the 2 variables involved. Now, you've gotten the value of x. Now, to get the value of y, simply use equation 3. That's the easiest way. You can also use equation 1 and 2. All well and good. You are still going to get the same answers, the same set of answers. Now, to get the value of y, you just say substitute 3 for what? For x in equation 3. Now write out equation 3. Equation 3 is y is equal to 2x minus 2. Now anywhere I see x, I'll put 3. So y is equal to x is 2, right? X is 3, right? So 2 into bracket 3. 2x means 2 times x. Now x is 3. 2 times 3 minus 2. 2 times 3 will give us, when you see in mathematics, you should know by now, of course, you already passed through GS1, GS2, now you're in GS3. So when you see bracket, it means you have to multiply. Now 2 times 3 is 6. 6 minus 2, you have what? 4. That means y is equal to 4. So therefore, x is equal to what? 3. Y is equal to 4. Remember that these are the same answers you got when you use what? Elimination method. Now you now look at it as a smart student that you are, that between the two methods, elimination and solution, which one do I prefer? So it's up to you to choose which one is easier for you to work with. Okay, so I am comfortable with any method, of course. I'm your teacher, any method. So whichever method you feel is comfortable for you or you feel more appealing, you can go with it. So the next thing we are going to look at is word problems involving simultaneous equations.
Thank you for watching this video on EduMix Online Academy. I just want, if you haven't subscribed yet, I want you to consider subscribing till we meet in the next class. Thank you.